guys, I'm Sanskriti. I study in 8th standard. Today's my topic is too much interesting and too much related to your life and my life and all of us life. So let's start without wasting any time. So let's begin with the good habits. My topic is good habits versus bad habits. So let's begin with the good habits. So first, I want to begin with the good habits, because the starting of any session or anything will be wanted good started with in India. So our elders tell us to start anything with good thinkings. So let's begin with the good habits. So first good habit I want to tell you: when we went at our guests home or guests come at our home, give them good greetings like good morning, auntie, good morning uncle, how are you, hi, and in the last say goodbye, thanks. If they came to your house, say them goodbye, and if you go to their house, say thank you. So this is first. Second one is when someone give you something, so say them thank you. It is also good habits. And if something you if you make some mistake, say sorry to them. If you make some mistake, because sorry is so much important in our life. And third one is that, guys, when you came at your home from outside, like market, malls, and from anywhere, so first wash your hands and wash your face. First get fresh, and then eat something, or then go to sleep, then do whatever you want. And fourth one is this, guys: if you want, keep your room clean, and wear clean clothes, daily do exercise. These are so many good habits for our life, guys. And also the you can do the you can wear clean clothes, you can wear clean clothes, you can eat healthy food, you can keep your cupboard clean, keep your room clean. There are so many good habits, but today I'm telling you only these good habits, because 10 good habits and 10 bad habits, this is my limit. Means I thought to tell you 10 good habits and 10 bad habits. So these are the good habits. Today I am now I told you these are the good habits. So use this in your daily routine or in daily life. So these are good habits. And let's start our bad habits. So many students are bad. I don't think they are really bad, but their behavior is bad. They are not bad, their behavior is bad. So let's see which habits are bad habits. So when we come at our home guests come, or we went at guest home, so not giving them greetings, or do not respect them. So guys, always respect them. When some in good habits we see namaste auntie, hi auntie, how are you auntie. So in bad habits, so many people, hi auntie, how are you. So this is not a good habit. So don't do like this. So much students know, but so much people, so much kids do this. And when you so much people does not wearing clean clothes, this is also bad habits. Does not washing your hands and face before after coming out from outside. So clean your body and then eat something, or go at bed. And one thing is most important, guys. Eat healthy food, keep your room clean, wear clean clothes, keep your room clean, do exercise. So much of us does not doing exercise, does not doing meditation, does not wearing clean clothes, does not keep our room clean, does not keep our cupboard clean. These all are bad habits. Does not respecting our, do not respecting to our elders, and teasing our siblings, small siblings. If someone give us the chocolate, guys, we tease our siblings, hey, I got a chocolate, I got a chocolate. So if you have two chocolates, give one chocolate to your sibling, that you have it. So he or she became happy when you give one chocolate to he or she. So don't tease your siblings, because they are now the kids. And when you all of you know, when they tell to your mom or tell to your dad, what will happen with you guys. So don't tease them. When you tease them, you feel, oh, what the fuck I do. So this is not this is also good bad habit. Do not teasing them. And always keep respect of your elders, guys. Always keep your respect of, and always someone always help to someone. If someone asking you for help, help them. Or you do not help them and laughing on them. If some the old woman fell down and she is asking you for help, and you are just laughing, she fell down, she fell down. This is not a good habit. So if someone is asking you for help, help them. This is a good habit for helping anyone. And if someone is hungry, guys, in front of you, so give them a half food that you have. Give some half food that you have, because if you are also hungry and in front the man is also hungry, so give half food that you have to the people standing in front of you. So always use good habits, don't use bad habits. So thank you, guys.